I'm Brad Henry, product manager at Minn Kota. I'm here today to talk to you about some of the great innovations that Minn Kota has been working on and what we've released yet again this year. Minn Kota has a long line of great products that have taken fishing and angling to the next level. A couple years ago, we came out with our iPilot technology and our iPilot Link technology, which allowed you to take your trolling motor and hook it up seamlessly to the Humminbird fish finder. That allowed anglers more time on the water by having to do less with their hands. So with the new Ulterra motor, not only can you operate it from your Humminbird fish finder, but you can also stow and deploy it automatically with just a touch of a button. Also, with the tap of the remote, you can also do automatic trim. So when you're moving from spot to spot, you no longer have to reach over the bow and grab that trolling motor to reset the depth. Just a quick tap of the button and you're good to go. And when you're ready to move and you're ready to go to that next fishing spot, just hit that button one more time and that motor will stow all by itself. Each one of our Ulterra trolling motors comes with iPilot or iPilot Link integrated in an 80 or 100 pound thrust models. Along with the remote, you also get the foot pedal, and everything that we're able to do on the remote can also be done on the foot pedal as well. So this is the newest innovation, taking us above and beyond what's ever came out on the market, the Minn Kota Ulterra trolling motor. We hope that you'll stop by your local marine dealer and try to put your hands on one of these yourself. Thank you very much.